In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your pipeline faster with Prospecting Agent. If you're looking to streamline your prospecting process and efficiently manage your sales leads, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through each step with clarity so you can get up and running in no time. First, let's head over to the Hubspot website. Open your web browser and type in the Hubspot URL. Once the website has loaded, navigate to the top right corner where you'll see the Login button. Click on it, which will take you to the sign-in page. For a quicker login experience, select the option to sign in with Google. Choose your Google account from the list that pops up, and you'll be seamlessly logged in. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the Sales section of HubSpot. Clicking on Sales will bring you one step closer to accessing the Prospecting Agent tool. And speaking of which, the next thing you want to do is click on Prospecting Agent. This tool is essential for managing your prospect pipeline effectively. With the Prospecting Agent open, locate the Enroll button and click on it. This will initiate your setup process. Following that, you'll want to click on the option to manually enroll companies. This step allows you to have control over which companies are added to your pipeline. Once you've chosen to manually enroll, you'll be presented with a list of companies. You can either select the specific companies you're interested in or opt to select all, depending on your needs. After companies are selected, move on to choosing your contacts. Similarly, you have the choice to pick individual contacts or select all those applicable. After making your selections for both companies and contacts, look for the next button and give it a click. This advances you to the next stage in the enrollment process. Here, you'll need to choose your selling profile. This profile helps to streamline your approach, tailoring it to your business goals and sales strategies. Finally, when all is set and you've reviewed your selections and settings, click on Start Enrolling. This final step will kick off the prospecting process, effectively integrating your selections into your sales pipeline. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to build and manage your sales pipeline faster using the Prospecting Agent. Remember, efficient pipeline management can significantly impact your sales outcomes, so take advantage of these tools to maximize productivity. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy prospecting.